In today's video, I want to show us how to create an even and odd deriv bots. Okay, so this is what I want to do: how to develop odd and even deriv bots without coding. Right. So for you to understand these bots, you need to have watched these videos. This is the part one: how to create your own deriv bot, how to add trade condition to your deriv bot, how to add martingale factor to your deriv bot, how to add stop loss and take profit to your deriv binary bots. And now we are in the part 5: how to develop even and odd. So if for you to understand what is going on here, you need to have watched this video. These are the basics of this deriv bot coding. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, over here now I'm going to restart this deriv bot. So I'm restarting it, and this is what you get. All right, so we don't need this third one, so just delete the third block. Right, so, or you can still bring it back, it doesn't really matter. So what you want to do is get over to deriv, make sure you're on deriv, continuous indices, and let's use our, let's say, volatility 10 index. All right, so in this case you want to use digit, and digit you want to use even and odd. Okay, so leave this. Our stake, let's use duration, let's use 1 tick, or let's use 2 tick in our duration. And our stake amount, we can just use, let's say, $1. It's okay, right? Okay, so we can run this bot like this, but there's something I want to do. So let me just add a variable. Let me add a variable. Okay, so our stake it's $1, and over here now we can bring in this stake. Right, so we have that. Okay, so let's run this bot and see what we have. Okay, so run the bot. Okay, so let's add a martingale to this bot. And for you to understand how to add martingale, I want you to watch this video. Make sure you watch this video, the part 3. All right, so this video will show you the breakdown of how to add martingale to the bot. So let's just get started. All right, so bring in our logic. So this will now come to assets. So our initial stake is $1, right? So we'll do else. So our martingale here will be, let's use 2.2. All right, so let's run this bot again. So we lost here, and you can see we've added our martingale here and it's working. Okay, so let's modify this a bit. Let us modify it. We're doing the same thing, but let's just modify this. Okay, so create a set, and let's create another set. Okay, so let's just bring our sets. Let's just bring our set and bring in this set again. Okay, so change this to winning stake, the martingale factor. So it's just simply the same thing. I'm just trying to modify it to make it look. So our winning stake is 1, our martingale factor is 2.2, right? So over here we'll bring in our winning stake. Then over here bring in our martingale factor. So it's just the same thing. I'm just trying to modify it. So let's run and see. Still the same thing. I'll stop so we can delete it. So let me just delete. We'll start afresh. So it's the same thing, the same martingale, just modification of the robot to make things a bit smoother for further use. Okay, so once we lose, we want to see our martingale, and once we win, we go back to our winning stake. Okay, this is 22, so there's an error here. Let me check. I think our martingale should be 2.2, not 22. Okay, so like I said, there was an error there, so let's run it again. It should be 2.2. Then our winning stake, for instance, your stake is 1. When you win, it will still continue as 1, but should in case you want to increase it so that when you win, you will add the profit to your original stake, then you can come here and put probably 2. So as you're winning, you're martingaling, then while this one is as you're losing, you're also martingaling. So it works both ways. So you can see our winning stake is just 1-1. Okay, so 2.2. We've corrected that error. Alright, so I'll just stop this after this trade. Okay, so let's change our winning stake to 2 and see what happens afterwards. So you see now our winning stake doubles. Whenever we win, it doubles. So you can do this way. You can just let it remain the way it was. All right, so the next step is to add dynamics, because this is always an even thread. The next thing we want to do is, we've done this, we've created the route, we want to do this or make it switch automatically, right? So let's just make it switch automatically. So that's what we want to do next. Okay, so now we've tackled this. Okay, switch. Okay, so let's run this bot and see. So you see, this is even, this is odd. So it's switching from even to odd using Matinga. Okay, so let's modify this again. Let's make our winning to be 1. Let's make our tick to be 1, tick duration, and let me just delete this, do it back again. So we are going for the even trade first. Once we win, we'll maintain our $1, but we are going for the hold. And when we lose, we martingale to 2.2 even. So it's switching from even odd with martingale. So you can see we've successfully addressed these 4 problems on this video. So guys, thank you for watching. Let me know the kind of bot you want us to create in our next video, and we will do that for you. All right, thanks guys. Make sure you watch these other videos. As you can see, these are the basics to understand what we're doing here. Start from part 1 to the part 5. All right, so do well to subscribe to this channel, hit your notification bell, so when next we drop our latest videos, you can see them well. All right, thank you very much. So I'll just save this as wisdom 5. So you save, it downloads here. So that's how you get this then done.